Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to link your Exness account to MT5 Exness that you downloaded on your PC. So after we already have downloaded it, we go to my accounts and then scroll down and then press on this arrow, and then you can find server and MT5 login. These are the informations that we need, and then you go and press on this, click on yes, and then next, and then it will ask us about the server and the login. All you need to do is just copy the server and the login from your accounts here, and then you put your password and then press on OK, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.